everyone. Thank you for joining me today at Cherokee Lockpicking. Today I have something a little bit different. I wanted to talk to you about a couple of things, but Chris Capune had sent me a tension wrench that he made, and I absolutely love it. It's got just the right twist on the end here, and just the right length. I really like it. I bought this Yale lock on eBay. Looks like somebody scratched it up some, but I thought I would try to restore it. And it's pretty gummed up inside, so I'm going to clean it real well on the inside and maybe do a vinegar bath. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I'm going to fix it up. And anyways, what I wanted to talk about was really Chris's tension wrench. This type of a keyway here on the Yale has a very little point up at the top, and then it starts coming out in almost like a circle. But like if you took a top of a keyway tension wrench and put it in here, and it feels like maybe it might be grabbing, but when you start to turn it, it'll just come, and it'll come right out when you've picked it, and can goof it all up. Well, Chris's tension wrench, you put it in there and it grabs a hold of it. It's not going anywhere. I mean, it feels like it's pretty well in there. So anyways, I thought I would go ahead and try and pick this lock real quick, and I'll probably post this as well, no, I want to post this pretty quickly. But I wanted to show you too on these other locks that I have out here how this works out. I'm not going to pick them all, but I like to show you how it grabs a hold of the top of the keyway. It's not in the way, and it just does a really good job. So anyways, he's going to have a video. I believe he may have already made it now, how to make this tension wrench. It's just out of a wiper insert, but there we go, right there, already got it open. I just love this thing because it doesn't fall out, really grabs in there, and it's not in the way like some of them. If you get it too close to the first pin, it screws it all up. You can't open it, and really interferes. So anyways, and then I thought, well, I'm going to try it on this American, and see how it fits down in there. Fits perfect. It doesn't go in too far, grabs a hold of it, and it misses the plate out here, and that works out super on American locks. Here's a big old Abus 80 TI 50, and it's got a little paracentric top on it too, and it gets right up there out of the way. I mean, like these other ones, they're hanging down too far, and a lot of times they go in too far and interfere. So got a lot of room in there to move around. So that's the Abus 50. This is a best lock, and it fits in here great. And this one's even got a bigger top keyway, but it doesn't matter because this thing just gets in there and grabs. So anyways, I want to just tell you all about Chris's tension wrench. I really love it, and everything I've stuck it in so far, I like it a lot. And as far as challenge locks that have great big open keyways. I mean, you may want to have something a little thicker, and I'm thinking maybe bigger, you know, wiper inserts come in different sizes. There's one that's quite large, so it probably would work out there, but because you really want to have the control when you're doing a challenge lock. But anyways, I absolutely love it, Chris. I thank you for sending it to me. He also sent me these two little paracord locks that you can put on your locks, you know, just showing that you already picked them or whatever you want to use them for. But I'm looking at it going, okay, I want to learn how to make these now. See what you started, Chris? Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you for joining me. And those of you that are watching that haven't subscribed, I hope you do, and I hope you come back. So thank you so very much. Bye-bye.